Another beautiful day in Serbia. Finally we hit normal roads. A lot of twists, a lot of curves, a lot of, you know, slow corners, and it was all beautiful. Magnificent views. Probably what was the best thing was the church. Microphone with me here, but hopefully you can listen to the sound of nature. All right, let's go. That whole place, I booked it for 5, we are just 4, but okay, and the price is 42 euros. 42 euros for the whole house like this. And you know what, I'll take you inside just for you to see that it's quite nice actually. Okay, we'll get back to him in like 5 minutes or whatever. Typical Slovak barbecue. So we get all of this. Of course. By the way, top tip. This one, 2 euros and like 50-55% homemade alcohol in official marketplace, official store. you just go, you just ask, you get this. Guys, this is end of our journey. We are in Novi Sad, Serbia. I have had time to think about and to process all of the feelings about this country, and here are my final words. You know, always when I'm on this kind of trip where I'm getting to know a new country, when I'm in the country for quite, let's say, significant time, I would like to have an answer to 2 questions. First is like what I have learned in the country or about the country? And second is, will I ever return back? Answer the first question is, obviously, this is a beautiful country. Especially what I like, it's the Serbian and Bosnian borders. Also, however, the stupid war. I mean, every war is stupid, but Yugoslavian war. You know, when we were on the countryside, you can, as I said several times, you can see the life of the people. I don't know if it's good or if it's bad, but how I see it as a guy from Slovakia, that we used to be there. We were, well, like where they are on the countryside, it's like us 20 years ago. So I'm just wondering what can be, where the country could be, and it's also Bosnia, where the country could be without the war. I mean, it's a beautiful country, a lot of tourist opportunities, but many people don't come here because simply you just say you're going to Serbia and many people are afraid because it's kind of exotic. On the other hand, super polite people. I mean, they are Serbs. Sometimes they are noisy, sometimes they like to, you know, express themselves, but they are super polite. We have stopped several times because of me droning or recording, and people just stop for two reasons. First, obviously they wanted to take a picture, but many times they have stopped and asked us, guys, do you need any help? It's not happening a lot, but it was happening a lot in Serbia. Money-wise, if you think it's super cheap, no. I mean, like average prices, like food costs something like 5 euros, 4 or 5 euros. Obviously huge portions, but yeah, maybe the prices were a little bit adjusted because of 3 kings came on a super expensive bikes. But yeah, so price-wise it was all okay. I said they are making around 300-400 euros. Not in the cities like this, it can be a little bit better. The city life is much different from the countryside. Also, they are a little bit further, as you can see, but still a lot of socialist buildings around, and you know, it's different. They are a little bit lazy sometimes, you know. They have their time for everything. And cigarettes, smoking cigarettes, everywhere, in restaurants, when you're eating. This is something that I'm not used to anymore, but in these Balkan countries it's quite normal. Last point is, will I ever return? I have countries that I basically don't want to go back in the next decade, but there are countries that I would like to return, and definitely Serbia will be one of the countries. What I will definitely do is I will go to Tara Mountains or Tara National Park and go across Bosnia and Herzegovina to Montenegro. That would be an epic trip, and I like that kind of country more than I see as in the rest of Serbia. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like the videos, hit the like button, that would be awesome. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more Beast on the road. And most importantly, remember, always have fun.